Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are stepping into the role of data detective. Yes, we are tackling the cornerstone of data right under Article 15 of GDPR, the right to access. Have you ever wondered what exactly a company know about you, your history, your habits, your secret preferences, and Article 15 give you a legal key to the vault, to that vault. So let's unlock it. So, what is this right? In short, you have the right to get confirmation from a company, the data controller, that they are processing your personal data, and if so, to receive a copy of that. Think of it like a digital open record request, but for your own information. It's not just like if they have data, it's what they have and how they use it. This is the bedrock of transparency under GDPR. If you can't see the data, you can't ensure it's correct or being used properly. So, in the next slide, now this is just about getting an Excel file with your name and email. Article 15 is very powerful because it's let you ask for the context. You can demand to know the purpose. Why are they using my data? Is it for marketing purpose, service delivery, or something else? And the second one is the category of data, like is this just my address or they are tracking my voice commands or location history, and the recipient, who are they sharing it with, are they selling it to the third party advertiser, and this fourth one is your automated decision making. Then, when a computer makes a significant decision about you, like approving a loan or flagging as a security risk without human inputs, you have the right to understand the logic involved. So, as a proactive tip, you when you make a request, be like a good detective. Ask specifically for these items. So let's look at two practice scenario when you can use this right. The first one is the online shopper. You are loyal to fashionfreeze.com. You send them a subject access request. They can't just send your name. They have to send your full purchase history, your time, your item viewed but not bought, your estimated cloth size, and even when you prefer payment method, you get a full profile of your consumer behavior. So the next example we took the social media users. You ask connect us what they have beyond your post and profile picture. You're entitled to your full interaction log, like comment, share, like, and log of your device information and IP address, and the full list of your inferred interests that they use to show your targeted ads. This is power. The data you get back is often eye-opening. You finally see the full picture a company has built of you. So, how do you actually do this? It's easier than you think. Here are the some steps. First is identify the data controller, find the specific company, find the contact, look into their privacy policy for their data protection officer or a designated email address for SARs. State clearly I am making a subject access request under Article GDPR 15. The next one is the company will likely ask for some reasonable proof of ID. This is a good thing. It's protect your data from being sent to someone else. Or the next one is once they have your request and your verified ID, the company has 1 month to respond. They can extend it by 2 months if your request is highly complex, but they must tell you why they are extending your request. So go check the privacy policy of your favorite app right now and see if you can find their SAR contact info. It should be easy to find. So in the next slide, what if they drag their feet Or what if you are unhappy with their responses? Remember, this is a legal right. You have recourse. If the company fails to respond in time, or if they refuse without a valid legal reason, you have very important two key steps. First, you lodge a complaint against that company with your local supervisory authority, the data protection authority in your country, or you have the right to seek a judicial remedy against the controller. So the important point is that your right of access is not just a nice idea, it's an enforceable law. So why Article 15 is so important? Because transparency lead to accountability. When you exercise this right, you force companies to be more careful with your information and with your data. You ensure the data is accurate and ultimately you gain control. Being a GDPR savvy consumer is not being a paranoid, it's about being informed and empowered. So, thank you.